my friend from a fellow horsewoman came to me wanting to bring children with disabilities from the Verlani Foundation. So they came, and I realized that it was something worth doing, something worth advocating, which is to allow for horse therapy for people with disabilities.
Well, as a young leader, I want to make a difference, especially to the lives of the special children. I want to give them hope and show them that somebody still cares for them. So Sir Henry and Ma'am Agnes presented me this kind of project. Sobrang nagustuhan ko siya kagad, and I told them if it's possible na gawin siya sa special day, which is today, my birthday.
Well, yung special education in Ladislao Diwa Elementary School in Cavite City started since 1974. And then today mayroon na kaming 4 na disabilities, which are the hearing impairment, visual impairment, learning disabilities, and the intellectual disability.
Ang tinuturuan ko ay SPED learning disability, kung saan yung mga bata, nasa age sila na late developmental delay. Ang tinuturuan ko, pinakabata namin yung 6 years old, pinakamatanda namin yung 25 years old. Tapos dahil nga sa goal ng aming eskwelahan, yung aming pinaka-objectives ay mainstreaming at saka inclusion, kapag sa palagay namin kaya na ng bata, dinadala na namin sila sa regular class, at kung saan ay sa darating na panahon, alam namin na makakagraduate na sila.
Ang ginagamit namin ay total communication. It means na sign language and speech. Ang sign language, nagtuturo ako sa kanila through sign language, then sinasabayan ko rin ng speech para mas makuha ko ang kanilang attention, at saka yung lip reading. Bago ang subject sila, pareho din sila ng normal children, ang lahat ng subjects meron sila.
Nandito po ang San Sebastian College Recoletos de Cavite bilang partner at the same time sponsor. So ito pong lahat ng effort na to ay dahil sa kagusto or sa willingness ng aming eskwelahan na i-train ang mga bata para maging socially responsible.
Able Children of Cavite City, soaring high!